Hey guys, should you splurge on the Galaxy A54 or just wait for the Pixel 7a? Google is probably going to overshadow many of its competitors with the Pixel 7a given the specs announced on it so far. Pixel 7a or the Galaxy A54. Both of these smartphones are great options for those looking for a powerful, stylish and affordable phone. But, which one is right for you? Let's find out right away. First of all, the design. Both the Pixel 7a and the Galaxy A54 have an IP67 certification that makes them water and dust resistant. The Pixel 7a is a bit smaller and lighter than the Galaxy A54, with 6.1 inches versus 6.4 inches for the screen and 170 grams versus 202 grams for the weight. The Pixel 7a will feature a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution and a maximum brightness of 900 nits. The Galaxy A54, meanwhile, will feature a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. It offers a maximum brightness of 1000 nits and high contrast. The notable differences are a 6.1-inch screen for the Pixel 7a versus 6.4 inches for the Galaxy A54. A refresh rate of 120 Hz for the Galaxy A54 against 90 Hz for the Pixel 7a. The Galaxy A54's compatibility with HDR10 Plus technology and its higher brightness ensures excellent readability even in bright sunlight. The Pixel 7a's screen could also be HDR10 Plus compatible, but this information is not yet confirmed. Both smartphones have a Gorilla Glass 5 screen protection. As for performance, the Pixel 7a is powered by the Google Tensor G2, which offers better performance than the previous generation thanks to an optimal exploitation of AI. The Tensor G2 chip has already proven itself on the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So we can now confirm its effectiveness in the Pixel 7a. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is in turn equipped with the Exynos 1380 processor accompanied by a Mali G68 MP5 graphics adapter and 8GB of RAM, which ensures a good fluidity of the system. You can also run resource-intensive applications and games. The phone also has a storage capacity of 128GB or 256GB, depending on the version you choose, with the possibility of adding a micro SD card. However, the Pixel 7a has an advantage with its Tensor G2 chip, which is more powerful and gives it superior artificial intelligence capabilities, especially for photography or translation. Both smartphones running Android 13 that offer a pleasant and customizable user experience. Let's move on to photography. The Pixel 7a has a dual rear sensor consisting of a 64 megapixels wide angle with optical stabilization and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide angle. And we can expect the Pixel 7a to offer the same front camera as the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, which was 10.8 megapixels. As for the Galaxy A54, it has a triple rear sensor consisting of a 50 megapixels wide angle with optical stabilization as well, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide angle and a 5 megapixels macro lens. On the front, the Galaxy A54 has a 32 megapixels selfie camera. So on paper, the Galaxy A54 looks more versatile than the Pixel 7a, but in practice, both smartphones offer excellent photo quality. Both devices offer detailed, high contrast, true-to-life shots. But, depending on taste and color, others will prefer the shots taken by the Pixel 7a and others by the shots taken with the Galaxy A54. So on this point, a photo comparison of these two smartphones could still be useful. Both devices also offer a night mode that allows you to capture night scenes with excellent exposure and effective noise reduction. Finally, let's talk about battery life. The Pixel 7a has a battery of about 4,500 mAh, while the Galaxy A54 has a 5,000 mAh battery. Both smartphones offer a good autonomy that can easily last a day or more depending on your uses. The Galaxy A54 with its 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts 2 days. However, the Galaxy A54 has an advantage with its fast charge at 25 watts against a power of 18 watts for the Pixel 7a. The Galaxy A54 charges faster than the Pixel 7a. On the other hand, the Pixel 7a has an advantage with its 5-watt wireless charging. As you noticed, we have reached the end of this video. Subscribe so you don't miss anything.